Hey there, health enthusiasts. Curious about why Moringa is the super plant everyone needs in their daily routine? Here are 10 uncommon ways that prove its magic. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about oral health. Did you know you can add Moringa powder to your homemade toothpaste? That's right. Moringa's antibacterial properties help maintain oral health and reduce plaque buildup. Simply mix a little powder into your toothpaste and enjoy a healthier smile. Next, for my tea lovers, try brewing fresh moringa leaves or powder to make a nutritious and refreshing tea. This not only provides an energy boost, but also offers numerous health benefits. Boost your energy and health with moringa tea. Number 3, Smoothie Enhancer. Add moringa powder to your morning smoothie to boost its nutritional content. It's an excellent way to get extra vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Your body will thank you. For your salads, use fresh moringa leaves as a garnish. It adds a peppery flavor and a nutrient boost. Just sprinkle a bit on top and enjoy a flavorful, healthy salad. Now for the bakers out there, this one's for you. Moringa powder can act as a natural egg substitute in baking recipes. Just mix 1 tablespoon of moringa powder with 3 tablespoons of water to replace 1 egg. Perfect for those looking to enhance their baking with a healthy twist. How about a little skincare? Moringa powder makes an excellent addition to your face mask routine. Mix it with honey, yogurt, or aloe vera gel to create a nourishing face mask. 7 on our list is soup thickener. Use moringa leaves or powder as a thickening agent in soups and stews. Not only does it thicken your soup, but it also enhances its nutritional profile. For a relaxing treat, add moringa powder to your bath water. This creates a detoxifying bath that helps cleanse and rejuvenate your skin. Perfect for giving your skin a little extra love. Pet owners, don't forget about your furry friends. Add a small amount of moringa powder to their food to enhance their diet with extra vitamins and minerals. They'll thank you for the healthy boost. And finally, number 10, homemade energy bars. Include moringa powder in your recipe for homemade energy bars or protein balls. It provides a healthy, natural energy boost for on-the-go snacking. Perfect for those who love DIY snacks. Give these tips a try and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy, everyone.